Hi, I'm Alonso and I wanted to show you which is my favorite place. This is my famous place. It is known as the center of Mexico. I mainly go to it for 4 reasons. First, I go to eat or buy sweets for me and my family. Second, betta fish to breed and reproduce. This is fun, at least for me. Third, if I have too many in my head, I go to this place to take a tour of the most well-known places, such as the House of the Dogs. They say that at night the dogs come to life. Oops, how scary. The cathedral and the rotunda of illustrious men. Fourth, and finally, Bible and glass animals, since they are my main hobby, because since I can remember I have always liked these figurines.